Hey, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you're in, I hope that you are having a good day. So, I wanted to talk about negative self talk and limiting beliefs, right? Whatever you say, you're right, especially whatever you say after I am, right? A lot of people are professing that I am something negative. And as long as you keep repeating that I am, you will be that negative thing, right? Because our thoughts become things. I didn't make it up. It's one of the laws of the universe. Whatever you say after I am, you're right. You are, because you're speaking it into existence by repeatedly saying the same thing over and over again to yourself, right? And so it continues to be true. So please, actually, you don't have to listen to me. You can do whatever you want to do. However, if you would like for things to start to change in your life, I would highly recommend that you change the way that you speak to yourself. Love y'all. Later.